Do you need a better wattle for your next sediment control project? Filtrexx SiltSoxx RH is the newest, lightest filter sock for your BMP toolbox. Filled with rice hull filter media and encased in our original Durable Plus netting, SiltSoxx RH is lighter than a compost filter sock but heavier than a straw wattle, making it easier to handle and install, with the superior filtering performance that MKB products are known for. Compared to straw wattles, SiltSoxx RH is heavier so it stays in place, doesn't require trenching, has better filtering capabilities, can be staked every 5 feet compared to every 2 feet, and has the same shipping configurations. Plus, unlike straw, the rice hull media doesn't have any vegetative nutritional value, thereby eliminating the potential for rodents to affect your stored product. Use SiltSoxx RH just like a compost filter sock or straw wattle for standard sediment control applications like perimeters, slope interruption, and other hard-to-reach project sites. No trenching is required. At this landfill, Project SiltSoxx RH was chosen to replace straw wattles for a slope interruption application. A lower project cost is achieved with less labor to install and a longer-lasting product, with the added benefit of better filtering performance. If you're looking for a more sustainable option, SiltSoxx RH is also available in our Natural Plus biodegradable netting. This 100% biodegradable product eliminates the need for field removal and disposal, allowing you to leave the rice hull media on site as a beneficial soil amendment, while also eliminating expensive labor costs and landfill tipping fees. With SiltSoxx RH, you'll save money, time, and achieve superior filtering performance. Ready to try SiltSoxx RH on your next sediment control project? Contact MKB Company today to find a distributor.